So Apple recently announced the 32 gigabyte iPhone, but we still have 16 gigabyte iPhones out in the wild, and many might be scratching their heads wondering, how do I save some space on the 16 gigabyte iPhone, Nick? Well, I think I have the answer for you here. Let's find out right now. Let's go. All right, guys, so I got the iPhone SE right here. Like I say, that is a 64 gigabyte model, so yeah, whatever. It will work for any model. It doesn't matter how much storage you got. You can always add some extra storage, but this is really targeted for people who are struggling on that 16 gigabyte version. So here is the iDisk mobile memory. Now this is from Olala, 64 gigabytes. Now this does come in a smaller version, which is cheaper, a 32 gigabyte version, which is still pretty awesome. But you can see it's made for your iPod, your iPhone, and your iPad. You can expand your storage, record directly, and access security. You can also scan this QR code here or download it right from the App Store itself, that code. So on the back of this product, it does say iDisk mobile memory. You guys can go ahead and pause and read that for yourself. Let me focus in really quickly. You guys can go ahead and pause and read that for yourself if you want to read that. But let me go ahead and show you where to get this baby from. I'm gonna pull it over here on the iPad. You can see here it is, Olala 64 gigabyte iPhone flash drive, $42.99, and it comes in multiple colors. It comes in gray and silver, but silver is currently out of stock. Comes in multiple capacities, but 32 gigabytes out of stock. You actually have to go to the other product page to get the 32 gigabyte version here, and you can do, you know, it shows you what it does. It's pretty standard stuff. So you plug this into your iPhone. You can see, take your case off, you plug this into your iPhone, and basically what it does is it allows you to transfer files easily to your PC and basically keep your iPhone clean of storage. Now, this also will work with any lightning port, so it'll work on this iPad. If you got an iPad as well, it'll work there as well. So I just want to make that be known really quickly here. So let's look at how this baby works. Let me go ahead and unbox this guy. I'm not gonna be too nice with this because this is not, So yeah, it is $42.99. So it's not the cheapest thing in the world, but you consider that Apple's gonna go ahead and charge you $100 more for every storage capacity. It's less than half the cost of that. So this is a little bit tight packaging. I'm gonna pause this and come back when I got this baby undone here. All right, guys, so here it is. It says Olala right there. You can see it does have like a little bit of a silverish feel, kind of like those phones, you know, on the side of phones, the bezels, when they're kind of like, they look chromy, but they're actually feel plastic, just like that material. Even have a chrome band around the switch right here. And it does have a little thing to pop off your lightning port so you don't get that bent or damaged in any way, shape, or form here. So I think it's a sleek little product. It does not have a keychain compartment, so you might want to be careful that you don't drop this or lose it or something like that, because it is going to have quite a bit of your data on there. But when you pull this piece off, you can go ahead and go like that to get the USB flash drive out, which seems pretty cool. I actually kind of like that. You know, the car keys that kind of do them switchblades. I don't know if you got a switchblade key on your car, but it goes like boom, kind of like that. It kind of feels like that action with your little flash drive, which I kind of think is cool. So if you slide it this way, the lightning port retracts. If you slide it that way, let's go the other way. Come on, don't play with me right now. I'm trying to record. If we slide it that way, the lightning does do that. So let's go to the iPhone really quickly here. When you go to the App Store, you have to get this iDisk Me app here, which I already installed. And we're gonna go ahead and open it up here. And you can see it does have the ability to show your gallery, camera, settings, docs, music, videos, and more. But let me go ahead and plug this baby in here in the lightning port. So you can see it sticks out like so. And it says, now that you seen the iDisk Me did light up here. So that did light up here. Now it's your external storage. You're gonna go here, top disk iOS would like to access the camera. So now access the microphone as well. So now you can go ahead and take photos and videos directly from the, you know, let me put my switchblade closed really quickly here. Do that one more time. Okay, put that really quickly right there. And you guys can go ahead and take photos right here. And the photo quality looks pretty solid, just like the regular camera here. Okay, it's not quite as functional, but you can go ahead and do stuff right here from the product itself. And I'm sure that you can go ahead and transfer the files from your gallery as well. So let's see what's going on here. And you can see it shows a little red icon when you are using the application. So you can see there is the picture we just took. And then let's see, you can put music on here. You can put documents. You can go to settings. You can use your Touch ID to access this, which is pretty nice stuff for security reasons. Yeah, it looks a little big hanging off the end, but hey, if you guys got a 16 gigabyte iPhone, this could be a lifesaver product right here. I'm being honest with you. I'm not even kidding. This could be a lifesaver product. You know, if you're a video maker and you ran out of, let me get key out of there. If you ran out of storage and you're trying to do videos and 16 gigabyte is your only tool, this thing right here could be a lifesaver for you for $42.99 instead of having to go buy a whole new iPhone with a new capacity storage. And if you look on even the used markets, when you go to buy a 16 gigabyte iPhone, even on the used market, once you go up to 64 gig, it goes up $100, $125. It's ridiculous with the storage cost that Apple employs on their iPhones. And I always thought Apple made great products, but their storage, they do rip people off a little bit on the storage. So yeah, I think right here, you do have a great product. I'm gonna end this baby. You do have a great product here when the Olala little flash drive storage. And then when you get done, all you gotta do is put your little cap back on here on the one side, put the lightning port in there, switch it over to this side, there goes the cap, but switch it over to this side, stick it in the computer, and bam, you could transfer files really quickly there on your iPhone. So yeah, guys, this is pretty much another way for you guys to go ahead and save space on your 16 gigabyte iPhone, 64 gig, whatever. If you've ran out of storage, this is a great way to save space. Or if you don't want to run out of storage and you just want to put all your applications on your iPhone and you want to use this for pictures and videos, I would say this is almost equivalent to using a micro SD card and Androids that have a micro SD card slot. Not quite the same because you got to pull it off and on from time to time, but a lot of people use micro SD cards, take the micro SD card out and throw it in their PC on an SD adapter when they're done with it. So it's pretty much a similar solution here for your iPhone. This product link will be down below in the description. Please use that link if you decide to pick this up. It helps us all out on this channel. And yeah, let me know your thoughts on this one. Are you gonna pick this product up? Is it kind of interesting to you? Do you have 16 gigabyte iPhone storage woes? I did a software way to save some space. And like I said earlier, you can check that link down below. And yeah, that's pretty much gonna wrap this video up. Thanks for sticking around for this one. Have a great day wherever you are. Be sure to be well. I will for sure catch you in the next one. And peace. Hey, no, no.